Welcome to our presentation on just-in-time as a concept. Over the next few slides, we will explore what JIT means, how it developed, its core principles, and practical implications for production and supply chains, giving you a clear, practical overview of why this approach matters in modern operations. This slide outlines the roadmap for our session, covering an introduction to JIT, its history and principles, implementation steps, benefits, tools like Kanban and 5S, common challenges, and real-world case studies, so you know what to expect, and how each part connects to building a lean, responsive system. In simple terms, just-in-time is a lean methodology that aims to produce only what is needed when it is needed, cutting inventory costs and waste, and aligning workflows so materials arrive at the production point just in time, not earlier, to keep processes efficient and responsive. The core principles of JIT include demand-driven production that starts from real customer needs rather than forecasts, relentless focus on process efficiency through continuous improvement, and close collaboration with suppliers to ensure timely deliveries and reduce disruptions across the supply chain. JIT matters because it drives cost reduction by avoiding excess inventory, helps enhance quality through precise, timely production, and improves agility, so companies can respond quickly to market shifts, ultimately supporting customer satisfaction and competitive advantage in fast-moving environments. JIT has its roots in post-war Japan, where resource scarcity forced manufacturers to minimize waste, and leaders like Kiichiro Toyoda and Taiichi Ono formalized these ideas, shaped by cultural emphasis on precision and continuous improvement to build efficient production practices. The Toyota production system is the classic example of JIT in action, formalizing lean techniques and Kaizen, prioritizing production driven by customer demand, and introducing methods like Kanban and Andon to visualize workflow and quickly address errors for smoother operations. Adoption of JIT spread globally as Western companies adapted lean ideas in the 970 seconds and 80 seconds, and later technological advances like automation and digital tracking expanded JIT's reach into electronics, retail, and logistics, enabling broader improvements in efficiency and monitoring. Waste minimization in JIT focuses first on avoiding overproduction, then on optimizing resource use of materials, labor, and energy, and finally, on streamlining processes to eliminate non-value activities, so operations become leaner, cheaper, and more sustainable over time. Continuous improvement, or Kaizen, means making small regular changes that add up, engaging employees at all levels to suggest improvements, and tracking performance metrics so gains are measured and new opportunities for refinement can be identified and acted on. A pull system under JIT starts production based on actual demand, uses signaling tools like Kanban to trigger replenishment only when needed, and keeps inventory tightly controlled by linking production to real-time consumption patterns to avoid excess stock and reduce waste. Successful JIT implementation requires dependable suppliers who deliver on time, a well-trained workforce comfortable with lean practices and multitasking, standardized processes to prevent variation, and integrated technology to support accurate inventory tracking and coordination across the chain. To implement JIT practically, begin with accurate demand planning to match production with customer needs, work on reducing inventory gradually, strengthen collaboration with suppliers for frequent smaller deliveries, and set up continuous monitoring through KPIs to refine efficiency and address bottlenecks. Common challenges when implementing JIT include supply disruptions that can halt production, resistance from employees to new processes, suppliers that lack capability to meet tighter schedules, and initial costs for training and systems that may be needed to support the change. Cost reduction from JIT comes from lowering storage and warehouse expenses by cutting inventory levels, minimizing material waste through producing only what's needed, and freeing up capital previously tied in stock so businesses can invest in other priorities or improve cash flow. Improved efficiency under JIT shows up as smoother workflows because scheduling and supply coordination remove bottlenecks, faster response to demand fluctuations, which boosts flexibility, and reduced downtime since parts and materials arrive when needed rather than sitting unused in storage. Enhanced quality follows from lean practices that focus on continuous improvement, smaller batches that reveal defects earlier for quick correction, and stronger supplier relationships that align on quality expectations, all combining to improve product reliability and consistency over time. The Kanban system is a visual workflow tool that tracks tasks and resources in real time, aligns production more closely with actual demand to prevent overproduction, and supports continuous improvement by making bottlenecks and inefficiencies obvious and actionable for teams. 5S methodology aims to organize the workplace by sorting, setting in order, shining, standardizing, and sustaining, which reduces waste and variability through clearer processes and workspaces, helping teams maintain productivity and predictability in daily operations. Inventory management techniques aligned with JIT include keeping just-in-stock levels as low as feasible to meet immediate demand, applying FIFO principles so older stock is used first to avoid obsolescence, and embracing lean inventory practices to optimize storage and capital efficiency. Supplier reliability is fundamental because JIT depends on prompt deliveries, consistent quality, and smooth logistics. Any breakdown in these areas, delays, defects, or transportation issues can quickly disrupt tightly scheduled production and affect customer deliveries. Demand variability is a key risk for JIT since it relies on accurate forecasting. Seasonal shifts, promotional spikes, or sudden market changes can challenge a pull system, so businesses need good forecasting tools and contingency plans to manage those fluctuations effectively. Disruptions such as natural disasters, economic instability, or global health crises can severely impact JIT operations by interrupting supply lines, restricting labor or transport, and increasing costs, which highlights the need for risk assessment and flexible contingency measures. Toyota's JIT success story shows how lean operations, strong supplier integration, and rigorous quality control combined to create a scalable system that reduced waste and met demand efficiently, becoming a global benchmark for lean manufacturing practices and continuous improvement. When manufacturing companies implement JIT, they typically see inventory reduction, streamlined processes, and cost benefits, but they also face operational challenges like the need for real-time coordination and resilience against supply chain disruptions, which must be managed proactively. In non-manufacturing sectors, JIT principles apply too, with retail using it to optimize stock and cash flow, healthcare minimizing waste by delivering supplies exactly when needed for patient care, and food and beverage improving freshness and reducing spoilage through more responsive supply chains. Thanks for watching and exploring Just in Time with us. We've covered its core ideas, history, tools, benefits, and risks, and how it applies across industries, leaving you with practical insights on how JIT can drive leaner, more responsive, and higher quality operations.